Welcome back. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to enhance your browsing experience with atmosphere lighting. But here's the catch. We'll show you how to activate this incredible feature only when the lights are off. And the best part? We'll achieve this using the Turn Off the Lights browser extension. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Click the gray lamp button on the right, and select the Options menu item. Next, click on Visual Effects in the sidebar. Enable the Atmosphere Lighting checkbox. Then, in the top navigation bar of this section, click on the fourth tab. Enable the Extract the Color from the Video radio button. Also, check the Vivid Atmosphere Lighting checkbox. Proceed to the fifth tab and enable the checkbox that says, Show the atmosphere lighting only when TOTL mode is enabled. Now, go back to the YouTube video and click on the gray lamp button labeled, Turn Off the Lights. And boom! Suddenly, your screen comes alive with vibrant colors, soft gradients, and gentle animations. It's like having your very own personal light show right at your fingertips. Whether you're a movie enthusiast, a gamer, or someone who simply loves to create a cozy atmosphere, the Turn Off the Lights browser extension with its atmosphere lighting feature is a game changer. It elevates your browsing experience to a whole new level, making every moment spent online feel extraordinary. That's it. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful content like this. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.